Stop. If you're thinking about buying ClaudeMAX, there's something you need to know first. Because ClaudeMAX is claiming to be smarter, faster, and more powerful than everything else on the market. So before you spend a single dollar, watch this quick review because I'm going to show you exactly what ClaudeMAX is, what's included, the pros and cons, the bonuses you can get, and whether it's actually worth it. Let's dive in. What is ClaudeMAX? ClaudeMAX is designed to give users access to the full power of Claude AI while helping them create content, perform research, solve problems, generate ideas, write copy, and complete complex tasks much faster than traditional methods. The main goal here is simple. Get more done in less time using advanced AI capabilities without needing technical skills or complicated setups. Benefits. Why people are interested. Whether you're a marketer, content creator, freelancer, business owner, student, or entrepreneur, people are constantly looking for ways to save time, automate repetitive work, and produce better results. And that's where ClaudeMAX aims to help. Inside ClaudeMAX, you'll find access to powerful AI-driven features that help with writing, brainstorming, research, content creation, workflow automation, idea generation, and productivity enhancement. Instead of spending hours figuring everything out manually, the platform is designed to streamline the process and help you work smarter. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. Pros. Easy to use even for beginners. Can save significant time on daily tasks. Helps improve productivity and content output, and leverages one of the most advanced AI technologies available today. Cons. Like any AI tool, results depend on how you use it. There is a learning curve if you're completely new to AI, and some advanced users may want additional customization options. Results. What to expect? Well, ClaudeMAX isn't a magic button. But if you're willing to use the tools consistently, learn the workflows, and apply what it provides, you can dramatically speed up content creation, research, brainstorming, and business-related tasks. Now let's talk bonuses. If you decide to grab ClaudeMAX through my link below, you'll also receive these exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1, AI Prompt Domination Kit. Value, $97. A collection of proven prompts designed to help you get better outputs, faster results, and maximum performance from AI tools. Bonus 2, AI Productivity Masterclass. Value, $197. A step-by-step training to showing how to use AI to automate tasks, save hours every week, and increase productivity. Total bonus value, $294 plus, and you'll get both bonuses free when you purchase through my link below. So is ClaudeMAX worth it? If you're looking for a powerful AI solution that can help you create content faster, improve productivity, generate ideas, and streamline your workflow, then ClaudeMAX is definitely worth considering. It's not a miracle tool, and it won't do all the work for you. If you want to secure the launch discount and claim all my exclusive bonuses before they're gone, click the first link in the description right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.